Good morning everyone. Welcome to social class. Today's class we are doing social revision. Look at the board. I have answers. I will read the question and learn the answer. Okay. Where do we eat our food? Answer. We eat our food in the dining room. We eat our food in the dining room. How does the house protect us? Our house protects us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Our house protects us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Why should we have good habits? We should have good habits to become good people. We should have good habits to become good people. Fourth question. What should we do after using toilet? We should flush the toilet after using. We should flush the toilet after using. How do we clean our ears? We should clean our ears with soft cloth. We should clean our ears with soft cloth. Now next, fill in the blanks. Read this one. We should dash our teachers and elders. We should respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Respect. We should respect our teachers and elders. We must use a clean dash to dry our hair. Clean towel. T-O-W-E-L. Towel. We must use a clean towel to dry our hair. We should not dash on the road. Spit. S-P-I-T. Spit. We should not spit on the road. We should wash our hands before and after every meal. M-E-A-L. Meal. Good habits make us healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. Next one. Match the following. First read this one. Dining room, kitchen, bedroom, drawing room, bathroom, school. Now look here. We have to match with these words. Dining room. Receive guests, have bath, study, sleep, cook food, eat food. Dining room, eat food. So match it here. Kitchen. We cook food. Bedroom, sleep. Drawing room, receive guests. Bathroom, have bath. School, study. Now look here. Write yes or no. We should keep our school clean. Yes. Write here S. Y-E-S-S. We should throw things on the road. No. We sleep in the bathroom? No. We speak with our nose? No. We should wash our hair with soap or shampoo? Yes. How do you use me? Brush. We use brush for brushing our teeth. Brush our teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Towel. To clean our body. Nail cutter. To cut our nails. N-A-I-L-S. Nails. To cut our nails. Tongue cleaner. To clean our tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Soap. To bath. Okay, learn this. Next bit, draw and color a comb and brush. Draw that and color it. Okay. Okay, with this we have completed our social revision. Learn well, prepare well for the exam. All the best. Welcome to English class. In this class, we are revising time. In this, draw hands in the clock. We have one clock. Here hands are not there. We have to draw the hands. Look here. What is this? 9 o'clock. We have to draw hands showing time 9 o'clock. Okay? How to show 9 o'clock? Short hand shows 9 at 9 o'clock. So, draw a short hand towards 9. And long hand shows 12. Now, the time is 9 o'clock. Okay? Now, tell me how to show 8 o'clock. Where we have to draw short hand. Short hand towards 8. Okay? Draw a short hand towards 8. And long hand showing 12. Now what is the time? 8 o'clock. Okay? Like this you have to practice showing time. Hours. First learn hours. Next you have to learn showing minutes also. Okay? Practice well. Prepare well for the exam. Welcome to science class. Already we have learned question answers, filling the blanks in the science. Okay? Are you all practicing learning question answers? Learn filling the blanks? Okay. Now today I am telling you yes or no. We can, yes or no? We can live without air. No. Air is all around us. Yes. Leaves move when wind blows. Yes. Fire needs air to burn. Yes. We can see air? No. Pure water is good for health. Yes. Now look here, identify these pictures and write them in what they are doing. What is she doing? Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Now what is this boy doing? Drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Now what is he doing? Bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. What is she doing? Washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. What is this boy doing? Swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. If you don't know these spellings, you have one help box here. You see the box and write the suitable word here. Okay? Now with this we have completed our science revision also. Prepare well for the exam. All the best.